Students, here I Priya Sacha welcome you again in my online Pathshala for class 7th. In the previous video, I did some numericals related to exercise 2A, 2B and 2C. Hope you understood. Now, today I am going to discuss topic decimals. Before starting, I would suggest you all to please like and subscribe this channel, so whenever I upload my next video, you will get the notification for that. Don't forget to write your name, class section in comment box for daily attendance. Come to the topic. Same chapter, fractions and decimal. Topic is decimals that you have done in your previous class also. Clear? So just do recapitulations first. A decimal number can be defined as a number whose whole number part and the fractional part is separated by a decimal point. The dot in a decimal number is called a decimal point. For example, 35.725. In that case, 35. This 35 is called whole part, or you can say integral part. Clear? And this dot is called decimal point, and this decimal point divides this number into whole part and fractional part. After decimal, this 725 is called fractional part. The digits following the decimal point show a value smaller than 1, means this 725 value is smaller than 1 because it follows the decimal point. Clear? So here, how will you read this number? You will read as 35.725. You can't say as 35.725. That is wrong method. Clear? If decimals having equal number of decimal places, these are decimal places. If number having equal number of decimal places, those decimals are called like decimals, while those having different decimal places are called unlike decimals. For example, 25.30, 125.89, 104.35 are like decimals. Why? Because check, decimal places are same of number, like are of same number. 2 decimal place 30, here again 2 decimal place 89, here again 35, 2 number of decimal place. So decimal number of decimal places are coming equal, so these are called like decimals. While in that case 35.8, 49.83, 20.625, in that case decimal places, number of decimal places are different. Here 1 decimal place, here 2, here 3. So these numbers are called unlike decimals. Is it clear? Now next is decimal fractions. Decimal fractions are the fractions whose denominator is either 10 or a multiple of 10. For example, denominator should be 10 or multiple of 10, like 3 upon 10, 4 upon 100. Clear? So those are called decimal fractions. Clear? Now next topic is conversion of fractions into decimals. How will you convert any fraction into decimals? For this, first you have to multiply. First you have to convert this mixed fraction into an improper fraction. For that you have to multiply 3 and 40. So 43s are 120 and 120 plus 11 is 131 by 40. Clear? So that means you have to divide 131 by 40. So just when you will multiply 3 4s are 12. So 120 will come. So here multiplied with 3 first, 120, subtract 11. Now 11 is smaller than 40, so here you have to put decimal and you can increase 1 0 over there. Clear? Now 4 3s are 12. 120 is greater than 110, so that means 2 times you have to divide it. So 40 2s are 80. Now again subtract. When you will subtract, 30 will come. Clear? Decimal already you have taken here, so you can increase 1 0. Now 7s are 7 4s are 28. So 7 into 40 is 280. Clear? When you will subtract, 20 will come, and then you can increase 1 0 over there. And then which number? 5. Here 5, when you will multiply it with 40, 200 will come. And when you will subtract, remainder will be 0. Nothing will come in remainder. Clear? So answer will be 3.275. Is it clear? Now next is comparison of decimals. How will you compare decimal numbers? So in that case, first convert all the decimal numbers into like decimals. So when you will convert first, here you can just count decimal places. How many decimal places are there? 1 2 3 4. Here no decimal place. Here 3 2 and here 3. So greater decimal place is 4. So every number you have to convert with 4 places of decimal. How will you convert? This remains same. 0.0367, 4 decimal place. Here 113, no decimal place, so you can put decimal and you can increase 4 0. Clear? 4 zeros. So now next is 39.999. There are 3 decimal place, so you can increase 1 0 to convert into like decimal. Clear? Now next is 39.99. To convert into like decimal, how many zeros you have to increase? 2. So 2 0 you will increase. Clear? And the last number is 40.001. Clear? How many zeros you have to increase to convert into like decimal? 1 0. So here this will come. After conversion into like decimals, just see their whole part, integral part first. Whose integral part is more, that will be the greater number. Clear? So check 0, 113, 39, 39, 40. Whose integral part is more? This number. So that means 113.40. That number is greater. Clear? Now after this, which number is greater? From this and this number, 39, 39, 40. This is greater, 40. So 40.0010 is greater. Clear? Now from these 3 number, integral part is 39. From these 2, integral part is same. Clear? So now you have to check fractional part. So check fractional part, 10th place first. So 10th place are same. Check with 100th place. 100 places are same. Clear? Now check with 1000th place. 10th, 100th, 1000 means this 9, and 10th, 100th, 1000 means 0. Which one is greater? This one is greater. So that means this decimal number is greater. Clear? Now after that, you can write 39.9900, and the smallest number will be 0.0367. Is it clear? Now convert all these number into original number which are given to you. So here when you will convert into 113 greater than 40.001 greater than 39.999 greater than 39.99. Clear? And the smallest one is 0.0367. Clear? This is the answer. Now next topic is addition and subtraction of decimals. In that first case, add 21.281, 0.5238 and 7301.1. So these three decimal numbers you have to add. How will you add? In that case, first convert all these three numbers into like decimal. 21.2810 because more decimal place is this 4. Clear? So you have to convert all these three numbers as 4 decimal places. Clear? Next one is 0.5238. Next is 1037.1. Yeah, actually decimal should be together, and then you have to adjust fractional part and whole part. So here no number is there, then you can increase zeros. So convert into like decimal and then add. When you will add 8, 3 plus 1, 4, 8 plus 2 is 10, 1 caret, and then add 5 plus 2, 7, 8, 9, point, 1 plus 1, 2, then 2, 3, 7. So answer will be 7322.9048. Clear? Now next is subtract 483.0972 from 1400. Now from 1400 means that part's second decimal number you have to write first. 1400 and convert into like decimal because here in decimal number 4 places are there. Clear? So here 4 zeros you have to increase. So after that just write 483.0972. Now subtract. When you will subtract, borrow 1 from here. So it will be 13, then 10, then 9, 10 and then 9, then 9, 9, 9 and 10. 10 minus 2, 8, 9 minus 7, 2, 9 minus 9, 0, 9 minus 0, 9, decimal, 9 minus 3, 6, 9 minus 8, 1, 13 minus 4 is 9. So your answer will be 916.9028. Clear? Now I am giving you some numericals related to exercise 2D in homework. Question number 1, 2, 3 second part, 4th second part and sum number 5. So this also home task is also available in description below. If any query, any doubt, then you can write in comment section. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.